Underwritings is still looking. They still looking even after you close. They're gonna find out something. Like someone is supposed to go out to the home to be sure that you're actually living there. So there are people actually, reporters actually going out to see if you live there still.
I didn't know that.
A lot of people don't know that. So that's why I say at least a month after. Don't do it right after closing either. But yeah, it's definitely that mindset. Having a team out there helping you, like you could do it. Don't think about a car. Don't think about no vacation. You need to think about getting this house, building some wealth.
And then that's gonna like I said, sometimes it happens. It just but please communicate to us, like let us know so we have an idea. And there might be other options that we can offer you, but we do understand though that sometimes there's just absolutely nothing you can do. But you could tell those who are desperate, they just their car broke down, and they're not trying to get like a Mercedes or something. They just need transportation to get to work, to maintain this.